Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.
Hey there, and welcome back to the Dave English Podcast. I'm Dave, and I'm really happy you're here today. If you're learning English, you already know that grammar and vocabulary are important. But there's something else that can really help you feel more comfortable in everyday life, and that's small talk. Small talk is those little conversations you have with people every day, with your neighbor, with someone at work, with a stranger at the coffee shop. These conversations seem small, but they matter a lot. They help you connect with people. They make you feel more confident, and honestly, they make life a little warmer. So today, I have 100 small talk sentences for you. These are real sentences that people use every day in the United States. They're simple, natural, and very useful. Let's start. Greetings. We'll begin with greetings. These are the sentences you use when you first see someone or start a conversation. 1. Hi. How are you? 2. Hey. Good to see you. 3. Hello. How's it going? 4. Good morning. How are you doing? 5. Good afternoon. Hope your day is going well. 6. Good evening. How was your day? 7. Hey. Long time no see. 8. Oh wow. I haven't seen you in a while. 9. How have you been? 10. It's so good to run into you. These sentences feel natural and warm. You don't need to say anything complicated. A simple hey, how are you? Goes a long way. 11. I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. 12. Pretty good. And you? 13. Not bad, not bad. How about you? 14. Things are going great. Thank you. 15. I'm doing okay. Just a little tired. 16. I'm great. It's been a good day. 17. Can't complain. How are you? 18. I've been better, but I'm hanging in there. 19. Honestly, I'm a little busy, but good. 20. Life is good. Thanks for asking. Those last 10 sentences are great answers when someone asks how you are. You don't always have to say I'm fine. Mix it up a little. Meeting new people. Now let's talk about meeting someone for the first time. These sentences help you introduce yourself and start a conversation naturally. 21. Hi, I'm Dave. Nice to meet you. 22. I don't think we've met. I'm Dave. 23. Are you new here? 24. Is this your first time at this place? 25. Do you live around here? 26. What's your name, if you don't mind me asking? 27. It's really nice to meet you. 28. I've heard a lot of good things about you. 29. How do you know everyone here? 30. Do you know many people at this event? These are great for parties, work events, or any new situation. The key is to smile and be curious. People love to talk about themselves. 31. Where are you from originally? 32. Oh, that's cool. What's it like there? 33. How long have you lived here? 34. Do you like it here so far? 35. What do you do for work? 36. That sounds really interesting. Tell me more. 37. I've always been curious about that kind of work. 38. What brought you to this area? 39. Are you enjoying the event so far? 40. I hope we get a chance to talk more later. Beautiful sentences. Simple, but genuine. When you show real interest in someone, the conversation flows on its own. Talking about the weather. Okay, I know what you're thinking. Dave, why talk about the weather? But trust me, weather is one of the most common small talk topics in America. It's easy, it's safe, and everyone has something to say about it. 41. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it? 42. Can you believe how cold it is today? 43. I love this kind of weather. 44. It's been so hot lately. 45. Looks like it might rain later. 46. Did you see the weather forecast? 47. I hope it clears up by this afternoon. 48. It's been cloudy all week. 49. I can't wait for summer to come. 50. I love the fall weather. It feels so cozy. Midway call to action. By the way, if you're finding this helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps more people find this podcast and keeps me making more content just like this. Okay, back to our sentences. 51. Spring is my favorite season. What about you? 52. This rain is really something, isn't it? 53. I love how sunny it's been lately. 54. It's perfect weather for a walk outside. 55. This cold is getting to me a little. 56. Do you prefer warm weather or cool weather? 57. It feels like fall came early this year. 58. I heard it might snow this weekend. 59. The weather here is so different from back home. 60. You know what? I'll take this weather any day. Weather talk is the perfect way to start a conversation with almost anyone. Short, easy, and it always gets a response. Talking about work or school. Now we move into talking about work or school. These topics come up all the time. At lunch, at events, with new people. 61. So, what do you do for work? 62. How long have you been doing that? 63. Do you enjoy what you do? 64. That sounds like a really cool job. 65. I'm still figuring out what I want to do. 66. I work from home these days. It has its pros and cons. 67. My job keeps me pretty busy. 68. I'm looking for a new job right now, actually. 69. I just started a new position last month. 70. Work has been a little stressful lately. 71. Are you a student? 72. What are you studying? 73. Do you like your classes? 74. What year are you in? 75. Where do you go to school? 76. Is school going well for you? 77. I remember those days. Enjoy it while you can. 78. What do you want to do after you graduate? 79. I studied something totally different, honestly. 80. Learning never really stops, does it? That last one is one of my favorites. Learning never really stops. It's true, right? And it's a great way to keep a conversation going. Talking about free time. Let's talk about something lighter. Free time, hobbies, and things we enjoy. This is where conversations get really fun. 81. So what do you like to do on weekends? 82. Do you have any hobbies? 83. I've been really into cooking lately. 84. Have you seen any good movies recently? 85. I've been watching this really good show. Are you into TV series? 86. Do you like to read? 87. I've been trying to get into hiking. Do you like the outdoors? 88. What kind of music are you into? 89. I've been going to the gym a lot lately. 90. Do you play any sports? 91. I just got into photography. It's really fun. 92. I try to travel when I can. Do you like to travel? 93. My weekends are usually pretty chill. I like to relax. 94. I've been spending a lot of time outdoors lately. 95. We should grab coffee sometime and catch up. 96. Have you tried any new restaurants around here? 97. I love finding new coffee shops. There's one nearby that I really like. 98. I've been learning something new in my free time. 99. Time flies when you're doing something you enjoy, right? 100. Life is better when you make time for things you love. Engagement question. All right, we made it to 100 small talk sentences. I hope you found something useful in there. Now I have a question for you. Which sentence do you like the most? Maybe it was number 13. Not bad, not bad. How about you? Or maybe number 100. Life is better when you make time for things you love. Whatever it is, tell me in the comments. I read every single one, and I love hearing from you. Before I let you go, I want to say something important. Small talk isn't about saying perfect things. It's about showing up, being kind, and connecting with the people around you. Even one or two of these sentences, used today or tomorrow or this week, can make a real difference. So pick a few that felt natural to you. Practice them out loud. Try them with a friend, a co-worker, or even by yourself at home. The more you use them, the more comfortable you'll feel. I believe in you. You're doing great just by being here and learning. Keep going. This is Dave from the Dave English Podcast. Thank you so much for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.
Dave English Podcast. Subscribe, like, comment, share.